space for your pond.
Welcome to Sparetime in Greenville, South Carolina. This facility is pretty new and it has a ton of activities. Upon entering, you're going to have a restaurant directly to the left. You're going to have a gigantic game zone arcade to the right. Of course, check in, pay, do all of that at the desks up front there. You are going to have a bar and bowling alley. At Sparetime, so you have your bowling alley, and then you also have the bar over here, along with some escape rooms. And you have an elite suite over there, a nice area to host an event. And then they have a really nice atrium with this bubble-looking tank. And also, you have this cute little kitty that will deliver you beverages and deliver food to you as well. Isn't that fun? So some nice seating while you're waiting for everybody to finish up playing their games. Right behind that bowling alley. Right behind the lanes here, of course, you have all the balls you can pick from. The colorful balls of different weights and sizes. And then, of course, you have your arcade. We're gonna get started with some bowling.
Bowling. Get started like that. Look at that.
All kinds of different games that you can choose to play. I think we just need to do some classic bowling.
All right.
Let's go ahead and get everybody's names in
It's
there.
got glasses in there too. How about that? Wow. Look at this, y'all. You can choose whether or not you need to include bumpers. So if you have a little one, you can give them bumpers. Or if you want to get bumpers yourself, you can do that as well. Wow, that's awesome. Look at that. Able to put your picture in there. That's pretty cool. Kind of took a picture right there of the old face.
Take a look at this bowling alley. So super fun. It looks like they have about 14 lanes here. And they also have a lot of different specials. Looks like they have a party where you can eat and play for one low price. It includes bowling, an appetizer platter, pizza and soda. Plus you have, upgrades available where you can have a VIP suite. So if you're planning a party, this might be the place to do it. Plenty of room. Look at this luxe sofa seating option, and then you have living room style seating here too, with a little coffee table, so you can go ahead and order yourself some refreshments, some food, and of course on the back side here you do have your little bar top, so you can overlook everybody having fun and enjoying themselves.
All right, we got a little Jenny action. Let's see how she does with some pressure. See if she's got that pressure. Can she deal with the pressure? Oh! A little bit dealing with the pressure. All right, let's see if we can pick up the spare. There we go, see if she can get that spare. Oh, she put it right in the hole, right where it goes. It went to its home. Hey, look at these 4 screens, by the way. That's pretty awesome. Lots of different opportunities to watch some sporting events and whatnot. That's pretty cool. I'm loving all the colors too up in the ceiling, kind of giving us a nice atmosphere, nice kind of playfully fun, relaxed atmosphere. I like it. Gutter ball coming up. Did I call it? I wasn't even trying to.
Not you. Look at that! Gutter
Got
ball.
some redemption on that one.
So our youngest is up next, and it automatically put the bumpers up for her, and then takes them down for the next player that doesn't need the bumpers or doesn't want the bumpers. So each game you can go ahead and choose if you want the bumpers or not. Super nice touch. While you're bowling, you do have the option of ordering from an extensive menu that includes tons of different options for beer and wine, including some fountain beverages as well. cocktails and concoctions. Pricing on here actually seems pretty decent. They have some Sparetime mocktails as well, if you're not feeling the cocktails. In addition to that, you have lots of different starters to snack on while you're getting those strikes. Some salads and chicken wings, quesadillas, tons of things to share with all of your mates at the lane. If you're feeling a little more hungry, there are some other, burgers and wraps, some sandwiches, pizzas, flatbreads, and of course, some delicious dessert. We opted for a little Dr. Pepper refreshment.
Little Dr. P for Patrick. Yeah, baby. I've got 2 out of 3 kids beating me. I definitely need some help here. Almost.
It is time for some arcade action. So we have an hour of gameplay. With a swipe of our card, we can go ahead and play just about anything in this arcade. And there are a ton of games. You have everything from motorcycle races to other races, Walking Dead, of course, coin pushers, basketball, and my absolute favorite, air hockey. But it looks like it might be 4-person air hockey. I need to find my challengers. Looks like Patrick has found a game to play. He's Big Buck HD Wild. We're gonna go ahead and play some Connect 4 hoops to see who can get 4 in a row. It's time for the Daytona Championship USA. We're gonna see who can win this. Nice one. You almost won.
Congratulations, you placed 9th.
Let's go ahead and give this one a shot. We got the little balls that came out. Alright, time's ticking, time's ticking. So I guess the goal is to take all these first pennies here. Are you ready to whack wind? Whack wind. How strong are you? Look at that, 25. You win 25 tickets. It is time for a little 2-person air hockey. Try this cube. So it looks like it's like a pretty neat. Arcade has all of your classic games, from skeet ball to all kinds of different NBA hoops and Top Shot, some zombie shooter games. This one was a lot of fun. You can choose the your different games that you're gonna play, whether you're gonna get zombies or other things. And then the seats actually move. You feel vibrations. on all of these arcade games, all of your points that you're gonna win, you know, like tickets, you come on in to the win zone and get to redeem them for all these awesome things in here. $90 tickets or points. Ooh, look at that. We got little gliders. Some bouncy balls. Footballs. And of course we have the big prizes over here. We have a PS5, 250,000, or we have 100,000 limited edition Japanese version of a Nintendo Switch. Super Soakers. All kinds of good stuff in here. And of course you have some candy in the Candyland as well. So the time has come to go ahead and do some laser tag. We have our Mission Control Pass Alpha, and at 5:45 it is our turn to head in to do some laser tag. Look at you getting all suited up over here.
Laser tag.
No running, no climbing on walls or scenery, no physical contact with other players, no lying down or sitting on the floor.
All right, we've been introduced to our base. So we're gonna have to go ahead and defend our base. Otherwise we go to their base and we shoot these 3 circles to go ahead and win this laser tag game.
I'm gonna take some souls. My name is Sable, by the way.
Oh, what's mine? What's mine? Macro. My name is Macro.
What up, Macro?
This looks pretty awesome. All right, so it looks like we got some black lights going on. We've got some blinking lights. This looks amazing though. Laser tag was a ton of fun. Of course, it goes by so fast, but everybody had a blast. If you're looking for something to do in Greenville, South Carolina, you should definitely check out Sparetime. So they have everything that you need for a rainy day, a chilly day, a birthday party, or just for a weekend adventure. Check that link down in the description for more details, specifications, of course, pricing. They do have some specials from time to time, or if you wanted to host an event, this would be a great place to do that as well. Thank you all so much for joining us today. Hope you had a great time like we did. Until we see you again, keep your nose clean. Bye.